We won't melt tonight. It's all sugar. Alright, well, that's bringing the end of the show. Who wants to see more? Who wants to see more? Please all down to the reception. On the left-hand side, as I say, we have a lovely ladies from Rosie Tour Dads. Book yourself in. Jump up on the boat and the plane and the bus. Go down to Robinson Crusoe. This is the glimpse of what you can see on the island. I have 40 dances plus on the island on each show. So that's bringing the pretty much end of the show. We got the lucky door prize. So let's see who is the lucky person in the rain tonight.